Brand stories on Amazon FBA. In this video, we're going to cover everything you need to know about brand stories, which are relatively new to Amazon. We're going to talk about what a brand story is, why this will matter to you, and what will actually cause customers to buy from your brand story specifically. As always, we've got the brand story guide attached, which explains a little bit more about brand stories, what to include in your brand story, and what will actually cause customers to buy. So I'm going to walk you through that in the video, and we're going to go to our good example. And finally, we found something that's actually missing from this listing. So I really just picked this one at random. They were doing very well in all areas of the listing. The only thing they're missing is a brand story. A brand story will typically go just above the description here. So here's some other examples. It always says from the brand. That's your brand story. And essentially it's this strip here of content and images. So you can scroll across. If you get 4 or 5 different tiles to use, you can include text and images as well as a logo on the background there. So as I say, it appears just above the description. So what we're going to do here is we're going to walk you through a few different examples of brand stories, what you should include and how you should do it, whether you're a single product seller, so you only sell one product, so I'm going to show you an example of that, or if you've got multiple products as this brand does, how you can utilize it to sell multiple products. Now, I was going to give you this as a good example. It looks reasonable, doesn't it? It's got some good images. They're mainly almost like review style images, lifestyle images of the products actually being used. So it's relatable. It shows the products being sold. You've got some more stock images as well as people actually holding it on their desk and that sort of thing. So that's good. However, what you can do is you can actually link to your store within the brand story. This is another reason why you want to use it. I think the brand story is one of the most underutilized areas of an Amazon listing. Most people either don't have it or they're doing it wrong. Here's an example of that. Visit the store. They should take you to the storefront and it's a broken link. Try this one and it's not working. So what's happened here is they probably were linking to their storefront or a page within their storefront, and that's been taken down, so it's not enabling us to do so. Here's probably the best example I found. Again, this is your brand story. You can provide a lifestyle image or a background, and they've made this really tailor-made for what we need here with a nice clear image here. So instead of having a logo, they've got pictures of a couple using the product. So they look nice and clear, shows it's for men and for women, and we'll move on to the rest of the images in a moment. However, this is the main part of a brand story. This is really to talk about from the brand, who you are and why customers should buy from you. So they've written here how we got our start. I won't bore you with reading every single detail, but you just need to apply this to your brand, why you started the brand, and then go on to say things like what makes our product unique. You always need to have a unique selling proposition, why people are going to buy from you as opposed to someone else, and what problem are we solving. So they're doing a great job here. Potentially could have used up a little bit more text. However, in general, they've provided the right sort of information. They're explaining who they are and why you should buy their products, why they're unique. So again, you just need to tailor that to your products and your brand. With some more lifestyle images showing different people using the product, nice and clear there. It's actually got a little pocket for your phone, so it looks like a very useful and handy product. And again, more sort of lifestyle proven images showing that it's being sold, showing that it's being used, as well as options of what you can buy. So if I click on this one, this actually takes you to their store. So that's what you can do. You can actually take it to their store. Now they've taken you to the home page by clicking that link. What I probably would have done personally, because this is the sport bottle family, they're showing you the different products that you've got within the sport category. I probably would have linked to the specific product, the sport product there, so that you make it as easy as possible for customers to actually buy from you. Show them the whole range, because essentially what they've done, they sent you to the home page and you've got to take an extra step before you find the product you want. So send them to the product that you actually want them to sell within here. You don't want to put too many steps in place. You don't want to make it difficult for them to buy. Now, again, we move on, another nice lifestyle image, and they move on to a different type of product. This is the infuser family. So the reason I'm showing you this one is it shows you how you could sell different types of products or different products on the same page. And then if you was to go to their homepage here, this is the infuser water bottle. I would probably send them to this one. It's a different product. It's slightly more expensive. It's obviously an infuser as opposed to a sports water bottle. So if you've got customers that come into your listings, they just want to check you out. If you've got related products and you want to sell them those as well, or they may want to shop your range of products as you would in a usual shop. You check out a number of different products. The brand story is a great way to do that by showcasing all of your different products on the same page, as opposed to the A+ content where you focus on just the product that you're selling. On the brand story, you can sell all of your different products. You can link to them on here as well. Here's probably the last example, which is a similar product, but they're only advertising this one product, which is like a small 0.5 litre, half a litre bottle, more of like a kid's sports activity water bottle. And the reason I want to show you this is just going to showcase how you could actually advertise the same product. Again, they're making it very clear who they are and who it is for. So they've got kids on the page there, and it's saying enjoy life, water bottles, 1 litre, have fun in outdoor sports. So that's exactly who it's for. Multiple colours, and again, they're showing that kids are loving this water bottle and that's who it's for. So there's no confusion there. They're making it very clear this is the product we've got to sell, and this is what we've got to sell to you. Now, I know there are a few more options here, but this is the primary product they're looking to sell, is the kids water bottle. And then what it does, it lends nicely to the A+ content because they're focusing on one product. We're not confusing the customers by providing different types of products. It's exactly the same products, and you continue to scroll down and you'll find that further down. So there's your brand story. Again, you want to make it as appealing as possible with images, but also include the text, which again enhances your SEO, your organic rankings with the text that you include here. And because there's only a minimal amount that you can include in your brand store, the thought behind that is that you need to be very relevant to your product and make sure it is relevant in terms of the keywords that you include and the description that you provide the customer. So it's really a twofold thing. Along with the A+ content, it helps the organic rankings of your products and also helps the conversions. It causes more customers to buy. So hopefully that is useful for you. The brand story section of the page, I think it's worth investing in this, whether you have to spend money to actually get the imagery and the time in making it. It really will pay dividends because most people aren't doing this well. Another thing that it helps with, it's more content on your page. So if you didn't have the brand story, all of this could be taken up by perhaps other products, or it's just a quicker scroll for customers to scroll down and find your competition, because there will always be competition advertising on your page. Can't really get around that as much as you try to cover it up with your own product. What a brand story does, it just takes up more of the page, and it allows you to provide more information for your end users. Okay, so again, there's your brand story section. Check it out. There will be a full course on the enhanced brand content, so that will be included of exactly how to apply it, where it goes, and how to actually create the content. But this is just an explanation of why you want it and the sort of things that you should look to include in your content. Remember to check out the guide, and I'll see you in the next video.